Hello everyone, I hope that you're having an amazing day. If you are on holiday, I hope that all is well with you. Today I am creating this video from the front side of my house, and it's just a beautiful day today here in Kariga in the Eastern Cape, and I'm here to share with you one of my kits. It's one of the paint kits. I actually have three versions of it, but I will show them to you. This is a completed kit. This is the sunflower kit, and it comes completely with a reference photo, with the canvas to paint on, with instructions, with a palette, some paint brushes, and of course the paints that you will need. Complete instructions with the paints that you will need in order for you to do this one. I also have it in the mushroom, the exact same setup, the canvas with the instructions, with the paint brushes, the palette, the paints that you will need for you to sit in the comfort of your own home and create something spectacular. And then of course the snowman, got this as well, and it's the same setup. The canvases come pre-drawn so that it's easy for you to navigate between on the canvas, and it tells you exactly what shades and what you need to do with. So I have some stock of these available. If you are interested, you can let me know. What's nice about these kits is that they come with everything, and you can create them in the comfort of your own home. Like today I'm sitting outside and sitting with my paintbrush and the canvas in front of me, and just kind of seeing where the day or where the canvas will take me. So yeah, if you are interested in those kits, be sure to let me know.